The core ingredients are usually dried herbs and spices, basil, thyme, fennel, paprika, and red pepper flakes. These may be sourced from farms around the world and may undergo drying and processing before reaching the manufacturer. Some blends may also include garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, or even dried vegetables like sun-dried tomatoes. Grinding and sifting. The individual ingredients are first ground into fine powders, sometimes separately, to ensure consistency. They may be sifted to remove any unwanted particles. Mixing and proportioning. The different ingredients are then blended together in specific proportions according to the desired flavor profile. Some manufacturers may use proprietary blends with unique secret ingredients or ratios. Additives, optional. Some commercially produced blends may include anti-caking agents, flavor enhancers, or preservatives to improve shelf life or texture. Bottling or pouches. The finished seasoning is then packaged in bottles, pouches, or other containers. Quality control. Throughout the process, manufacturers implement quality control measures to ensure consistency in flavor, aroma, and overall quality. Homemade blends. Many people prefer to make their own pizza seasoning, mixing their favorite herbs and spices at home. Add a dish recipe from pizza seasoning. Tell me in comments, what is your favorite pizza seasoning, homemade or factory made?